Okay, Alicia, what are you doing?
I'm trying to find potatoes. I found one.
Okay, you gotta dig through the dirt, right?
Yeah, let me put it like that. I want to dig through.
Well, honey, I'm trying to get a video of you doing it.
Okay, so I'll dig through this side.
Uh-oh.
What's happening? Oh, policeman just came by.
Okay, are you gonna do this or not? Just push through it, honey. Just like,
Oh, pushing it?
well, do what you gotta do. It's like an Easter egg hunt.
Ah, yes.
Oh, you got two? I thought you were gonna be a little more aggressive with this. All right. That's what I'm talking about.
So do I just break the
Yeah,
dirt?
yep. Just trying not to overlook any of them though. Oh, wow. Yay. That's a big one.
So small. Just pull up the roots of this one.
Okay. Keep going. There's more.
Yeah, I know.
Break up that chunk and see if there's anything in it.
Oh, this is rotten.
Oh, that's probably the first one. Just throw it back in the bucket.
Something about eye. Oh my gosh, there's a worm.
Yeah, worms are good. Worms are our friends. Let's see. Let's see.
I got a worm.
It's a wriggly one. Okay. Keep going. I'm sure there's more in there. All right, set the worm aside so it doesn't get smushed.
Okay, so let's set it on. Ah, I see a potato.
Oh, that's a teeny tiny potato. Let me see it. It's like teeny. All right, put it in the pile.
I think. Oh my gosh, wait, what's this? Is this a root? Oh. Oh, no,
Oh, that's the yucky one. That's like the starter. Just throw it in the bucket. This one. There you go. Is there any more in there?
There has to be. I just got so messy.
Throw those chunks that don't have anything back in that second bucket there. It's easier to throw them in when they're chunks. Oh, there's some.
Oh my gosh.
Another yucky one. That's okay. I see a good one underneath it. Nice.
Two. Oh wait, where's the worm?
Oh, he's fine. He'll find where he wants to be. Okay, throw that chunk back in the bucket. Oh, there's one.
Ooh. Oh, I found a worm.
There he is.
Is he dead?
I don't think so. No, he's wiggling.
Yeah, he's alive. I just don't want to hurt the worm.
Oh yeah, he's
The
fine.
worm is too precious.
Okay, did we find them all? Toss that in there.
Ooh. I'm gonna just... Yeah. I think so. Should we show the others the worm?
Yeah, we can. Let's take a picture of our potato harvest here. Ooh. Okay, say bye.
Bye bye. Hey, wormy.